Hi, I'm Julie Cunningham, President and Chief Executive of the Conference of Minority Transportation Officials. It is my pleasure to introduce COMTO's 2013 Celebrating Women Who Move the Nation honorees. Each of the honorees is a phenomenal testament to the leadership role that women play in our nation. And each, at some point in her career, has had to live and lead issues of diversity and inclusion. In observance of Women's History Month, please join me as we celebrate these 10 exceptional women who move the nation.
COMTO, Celebrating Women Who Move the Nation, a celebration of women who are advancing transportation in America. The Conference of Minority Transportation Officials pays tribute to 10 extraordinary women for making a difference in the transportation industry. These women are the senior leaders in the industry. Their professional achievements and pioneering spirit have opened career paths for women across the country and set an excellent example for generations to come. From policymakers to high-powered executives, these women are among transportation's most influential players and represent a full cross-section of the industry, including aviation, advocacy, the private sector, highways, state government, and the federal government. Presenting COMTO's 2013 Celebrating Women Who Move the Nation honorees. Advocacy honoree, Ann Camby, Director, One Rail. Aviation honoree, Rosemarie Andolino, Commissioner, Chicago Department of Aviation. Private sector honorees, Gina Adams, Corporate Vice President for Government Affairs, Federal Express Corporation. Cheryl McKissick Daniel, Chief Executive Officer, McKissick & McKissick. Daryl McKissick, President, Chief Executive Officer, and Chairwoman, McKissick & McKissick of D.C. Highway Sector Honoree, Gloria Jeff, former Associate Director, District of Columbia Department of Transportation. State Government Honoree, Joan McDonald, Commissioner, New York State Department of Transportation. Federal Government Honoree, Therese McMillan, Deputy Administrator, Federal Transit Administration. The Shirley DeLibero COMTO Woman Who Moves the Nation Award is presented each year to a visionary pioneer who makes a significant impact to the transportation industry. Helen L. Dale, Strategic Staffing Coordinator, Mass Transit Administration. In 1990, Ms. Dale, affectionately known as the godmother of COMTO, joined the Mass Transit Administration, MTA, as Manager of Public Relations and Publications. She led the successful effort to remove alcohol and tobacco advertising on transit vehicles and facilities, and provide multilingual schedules on urban routes. The COMTO Lifetime Achievement Award, the Honorable Tammy Duckworth. The U.S. Representative for Illinois' 8th Congressional District, Lieutenant Colonel Duckworth was one of the first Army women to fly combat missions during Operation Iraqi Freedom. In 2004, her helicopter was hit by an RPG and she lost her legs and partial use of her right arm. In 2009, President Obama appointed Congresswoman Duckworth to be Assistant Secretary of Veterans Affairs. While at the VA, she led an initiative to end homelessness among veterans and worked to address the unique challenges that Native American and female veterans face.
There's no reason why I made it home other than through the heroism of my buddies. And I really see this time as a bonus time, but also that I have an obligation to do more during this time in my life. Because ultimately, on the worst day that I have here, it's never going to be as bad as it was in Iraq. And that allows me to be more fearless, and it allows me to take chances, and it allows me to speak up.
Please join COMTO as we celebrate the phenomenal women who are indeed moving our nation.